Hi, I'm back, and today we are talking about multiplication. I'm sorry, not multiplication. We're talking about division with number lines. And we can use number lines to show jumps with division. So just like we talked about with the multiplication and number lines using jumps, we can do the same with division. So let's look at 27 divided by 3. That first number tells us where we start, whereas with multiplication, it told us how many jumps. This one tells us where to start, and I'll show you this in just a moment. Divided by 3, the 3 tells us what we're jumping by or how many. So that's the same. In multiplication, that number tells us how many are in each jump, and this number tells us how many are in each jump for division as well. So that's nice. That means the same thing in both. So we keep some things to keep in mind. We keep jumping until we get to 0, which is just like repeated subtraction. We keep repeating and repeating until we get to 0. And I want to tell you that again, that you keep jumping until you get to 0. And then you count the number of jumps, and that tells you your answer, because this is the opposite of multiplication. So let's take a look at it. If our problem was 27 divided by 3, you can see my number line, and my number line extends to 29. But since our problem is 27 divided by 3, we're going to start on the number 27. And the 3 tells us that there should be 3 in each jump. So I'm going to count backwards, because with division, we go down, not up. We go down, not up. Some people might say we go backwards. That's okay too. You could say backwards or down. But we do not go forward. We do not go up for division when we're talking about number lines. So we start on the 27, and we go back 3. So 26 is where we say 1. 1, 2, 3, we land on 24. That's our first jump. 1, 2, 3, that's our second jump. We landed on 21. 1, 2, 3, that's our third jump. We landed on 18. Notice I don't count where I landed as 1. I go to the next one to say 1. 1, 2, 3, we land on 15. That's the fourth jump. Then we land on 12. That's the fifth. 9, that's the sixth jump. 6, that's the seventh jump. 3, that's the eighth jump. And then finally we end on 0, that's the ninth jump. Now, I have labeled my jumps so that when I go back to see how many jumps I had, it's right there for me. Also, if you don't count your jumps correctly, you won't get the right answer, because you won't have the right amount of jumps in each one. They should all have the same amount in each jump. Since this is 27 divided by 3, they should all have 3 in each jump. So 27 divided by 3, or 27 divided by 3 in each jump, equals 9 jumps. I hope that helps you, and that you can see how that's a lot like repeated subtraction. If we start with 27 and we keep subtracting 3 until we get to 0, we'll see that we subtracted it 9 times, just like we had 9 jumps. Okay, that's it for today. Good luck and do good work. See you later.